in today's video, we are going to provide you with a way to reach out to Synchrony customer support to basically find out fast. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can directly open up a browser and go ahead and search for Synchrony customer support and hit enter. Once we hit enter, this is the link that we can find that we can click on, and that should open up the help page on our screen directly. So here we can find different options that we can use in order to contact them. And one of the best option is using these options right here, using the automated phone system and calling the customer service phone number, or usually on the back of the card. On the back of the card, you'll be finding a number that will route you to the correct department for that card, brand, or account. Or apart from that, we also have a general customer service line that we can use if we do not know what department that we wanna contact. Or on Synchrony contact page, also we can look out for the option to contact a certain card, partner, or account, and the open chat or sign in, and you can select the option of signing in. You can just go over and look out for that option. We also have contact us option that we can click on, and there we should be finding different phone numbers available that we can use. We can call during the weekend business hours and choose option like existing account, fraud, dispute, or representative, and you can see agent or representative repeatedly. In that way, you should be able to go ahead and specifically call them on that number, and that should work out for you. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you want to use Synchrony customer support and reach out fast. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.